she is. The UK's cheapest 300C. Picked this old beauty up for £500. Just thought I'd do a quick update with you guys, see where I'm at. So last video, there was no stereo, all the interior was muddled. I put a brand new interior whole interior out of a 50k miles car. Big shout out to a geezer called Alex Reed, who hooked me up well cheap. Got the stereo in there with my bits and bobs. She's now, can't really see them. She's now sat on coilovers all round, fully adjustable. Nice little rake on it I've put. This is loose because I'm still playing with things. As you can see in there, there's quite a large mushroom filter. Which then leads me on to what I've been up to under here. I upgraded the fuel line pipes. I did try relocating it, but I couldn't get fuel pressure issues. High pressure, believe it or not. Added fuel lines, and then I got high pressure readings. Don't understand it. I would have thought I got low pressure, but here's what it is. But anyway, 3 inch coupling to 2 inch coupling for the turbo, 3 inch pipe relocated, mass airflow sensor relocated. Excuse that because I broke the clip. Where's my finger? Broke the clip on that. So we'll get that sorted. But then, yeah, just a 90 out of there. Relocated those two, the manifold air pressure meter, although it isn't actually that, it's a barometric sensor. I think the map sensor is actually under there somewhere. Oh yeah, also deleted this. See, I've branched off here instead of going into the turbo. Comes off, it's going to be reduced, and then comes up to my catch can from my PCV line, the pipes. A lot of you will be like, why have you got a catch can? Just a gimmick. Just change the valve in there. Well, I'm going to change the valve in there, and I like the catch can. It's engine bay blue, so just shut up, mind your business. Worry about your own car, mate. But I think it looks cool. I said, upgraded intercooler, coilovers all round. Oh, what else have I done under here? There's virtually a 0 mile suspension on the front of this now. Wheel bearings, lower ball joints, every bush, brand new coilover, brand new top mounts, brand new isolator bushes, brand new D bushes for the sway bar, drop links. The only thing original on the front is the discs. Even the calipers are of a different car, been rebuilt. Brand new pads in it. The calipers had a bit, and the discs had a bit of life still in them, so I thought they'd do for now. Wheels are looking a bit shabby. It was just toshed over really. They need doing properly. Might get some different ones, I don't know. But absolute minter in here now. Absolute minter. Look, no more ripped seats. Lovely jubbly. So what's next for the UK's cheapest 300C? Well, next port of call is she's getting remapped. She's going to be mapped, the EGR's getting coded out, DPF's getting coded out, DPF's getting straight piped, rear back boxes are going to get chopped off as a straight pipe, limiters are getting taken off, and the gearbox is getting remapped. So quite a little bit of a hit list to do really, but yeah, it's a project, isn't it? Lockdown and all that, got to stay busy somehow, haven't we? But she doesn't half make some weird noises now. It's going to be a lot tickier because I haven't got no covers on the injectors. I prefer that, but you can hear it. Rumble. Poor neglected Chrysler. Neglected. The state of it. Wheel bearing.
changing that in a second.
Just done track wood end.
And the ball joint's going on as well, so I've got to get that hub off. Already done the other side.